Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this video, I'll show you how to install APK files on Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Firestick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So I have this APK file. I can access it from File Explorer. So I have the ES File Explorer app. I also have a video showing you how to download and install this app on your device. So if you want, you could get it, and from there, I'm just going to go to local and now go to internal storage. So I'm showing you how to get an APK file. So under internal storage, I think downloads, and then I think it's another downloader. But these are all APK files. All you can see around is an APK file. So this is an APK file we're using as an example. So I want to install this APK file right here to Firestick. But there's one thing I need to do. So head over back to home, and I'll encourage you to go to settings. So go ahead, click on the settings button here, and now you go to my Fire TV. This is a very important step. We're about to ensure that apps can be installed from unknown sources or that unknown apps can be installed. So click on Firestick 7 times and this will enable developer options. So on the 7th time you see you are now a developer. From there go back and you see developer options. Make sure this setting is turned on, apps from unknown sources. So this will enable you install apps from unknown sources or install unknown apps straight to Firestick. Now that that's on, you can head back over to the ES File Explorer. So I'll just go back to my app drawer and I'll go to ES File Explorer. So now I have this app, it's an APK, click on it once. Because I have the developer options on and I have the ability to install an app from an unknown source. If I click install here, it's asking for a premium subscription to install the app. That is not supposed to be the case, but other app installers would install it. For instance, the downloader application or any other better file explorer you have. But I'll just go to the download application since we had that hiccup there. So under download application, if I go to files, I'll see the APK file. So under files, that's the same APK file I just showed you. So if I click on it, you saw there was a B player app. Now this is still the same B player app. Clicking on install, this app begins to install, and all this is because we were able to get the installation going from the get-go. We're able to get the installation settings for unknown sources and unknown apps from you saw us do it in settings, and now the app is installed, so we're good to go. Now that's how you install APK on Firestick. If you found that useful, if it was informative, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.